In this video, we'll explore how to add a team member into MFB Donate account. First, log into your MFB Donate account. Navigate to Manage Settings from the menu, and click on Administration. Start by creating a user role. Click on Add New in the top right corner. Enter the role name and select module access for this role. Once done, save the user role. Next, go to User Creation from the side menu. Click Add New in the top right corner. Select the role for this team member. Enter the user's name, email ID, language preference, phone number. An organization name. Finally, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully added a team member in your MFB Donate account. An automatic email notification will be sent to the new team member with their login credentials.